Here I have Google Home Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to reboot this device. So first of all, you have to open the Google Home app here. Then you have to access this device here. Then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. Then tap here and select an option Reboot, and then confirm it by tapping OK, and after that device will be rebooted. And as you can see, device being rebooted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.